Hi guys, hope you're doing well. Today we are making biryani. I'm sure everybody likes biryani. This one is a bit unique, called Parda Biryani. It's very easy, but I'll try to make it more easier for you guys. So just follow the simple instructions on screen. First step, we'll make a dough. 150 gram of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of oil, 1 teaspoon yeast, half teaspoon salt. Now we'll mix it and we'll make a dough with the warm water and let the dough settle for about an hour. In this pan we put about 1/2 liter of water, 1 teaspoon of salt inside. This is to boil the rice. Inside this I'll put about 3 or 4 curry leaves, 4 green cardinans, star anise, about 2 of them, about 4 or 5 black peppers. Now we'll add our rice. We soaked them already and leave it to boil. Here we have our meat. We boiled the meat already. It's about 700 gram of meat. 2 tablespoons of biryani masala, half tablespoon garlic powder, half tablespoon of mixed masala. You can call it garam masala as well. 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of red chilli powder, half teaspoon of salt. I didn't show you when I was boiling the meat, just to save your time. Put some turmeric powder, lemon juice, about 2 teaspoons. I will add some yogurt. With the yogurt, I'm adding 4 tablespoons, but you can add more if you want extra gravy inside. We'll mix it and leave it to rest for about half an hour. We check on the rice now. Let's see. Oh, yeah, and the rice are ready. They are boiled. Now we'll drain the excess water from the rice. So in another pan we'll put some oil, half a cup, and we will cook our meat now. Add the meat inside. So we're gonna cook it for about, I think it'll take about 10 minutes because the meat is already boiled, so it's not gonna take long. While this is cooking, we're not going to waste time. So in other part, frying pan, we're going to fry some onion. I'm taking 2 onions. I'm going to fry them golden fry. This is just for dressing. Here we see our meat is almost ready now. Look, the oil is separated from the meat, so that means it's cooked. So we'll take all the meat out and leaving the gravy inside. We will add our rice inside the gravy, and we're going to mix it so the rice are properly mixed inside the gravy. Look, the color is changed because of the gravy. All the spices have gone into the rice. We'll add some food coloring. This is optional again. Some mint leaves and some fried onion as well. We'll mix it again. Now we'll come back to the dough. With the dough we'll make a big chapati. It has to be thick. Fold it. Please follow as same as I'm doing on the screen. Place it in the middle. If the dough is too wet, just sprinkle some flour around it or put some oil so it doesn't stick. Put some rice, half of them, in the pot. Try to create a smooth surface. So now we'll put some mint leaves again and some fried onion. On top of this we're going to put the meat, so another layer. Put all the meat on the top. And on top of this we're going to put the rice again, and on top of the rice we're going to put the curry leaves and the fried onion again. and then we're going to close the dough from the top. When you're closing, you can use the milk instead of water or anything else to make it a bit stickier. Sorry, I couldn't make the video of it. Tap it from the top. Now I'm just going to show you when I have already folded. So put another tray on the top and turn over. So it's gonna look like this. Put some milk on the top. Sprinkle some sesame seed and black seed on the top and place it in the oven for 20 minutes on 200 degrees. Your biryani is ready. Just cut the top like a pizza slice. Look, wow, it smells very nice. We're gonna check if the meat is properly cooked. Look, wow, it looks very nice. I hope you enjoy the video. If you do, please like, subscribe and share with your family and friends. I'll see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.